In this video, I'll show you how to share Discord profile link. At first, open up your notes. I want you to just type in this, right? discordapp.com.users. So just type in this on your notepad. Now go to your Discord. What you need to do, click on this, click on settings, scroll down, click on advanced. Now make sure your developer mode is currently turned on because you can be able to copy your ID, right? So make sure it's currently turned on. So go back to a chat. So I've been in this chat. I'm going to click on my profile. I'm going to click on this tray icon. I'm going to click on copy user ID. So once I've copied it, I'm going to go back to that note. I'm going to paste it. I'm going to click on done. So automatically this is my Discord profile link. So if I click on it, it's going to take me to my Discord. So if you find this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you all for watching. I will see you in the next video.